Hello everyone, this is Belle from the Academy team. Welcome to today's session where we will explore the latest features in branded web and portal updates. For the branded web platform, we introduce a new feature in this update, which is the online reservations. In parallel, for portal updates, we focus on enhancing the menu template feature. This includes the addition of location group, price by location, and the ability to exclude specific shops from item and discounts. And now, let's delve into our first topic for today, the online reservation function on our branded web. With this new feature, your customer can now make reservation online by visiting your branded web page if your restaurant do have the reservation license. However, take note that this feature is currently accessible only on the mobile version of branded web, and the desktop view is still under development. And if you'd like to allow your customer to make the reservation online, you need the Merchant Portal 2.0 to do so. So on the left panel, go to the reservation and you will find the online reservation button now. Click on it. Then, turn on the Enable Online Reservation. And if you would like to display the terms and conditions for online reservation, you can turn it on and input the condition accordingly. Then, click on Save and you are done. And now, your customer will see the reservation button when she accesses to your branded web. What she needs to do is very simple. Just click on the reservation, input the relevant information including the date, number of packs, and time, and click on Make the Reservation to continue. She can then input her contact details, seating preference, and remarks if any. Then, click on Book Now to confirm the reservation, and she will see the confirmation message to indicate that her reservation is confirmed. She will also receive an email upon the reservation is being confirmed. And one important note here, customer is required to log in to your branded web in order to make a reservation. And in case your customer would like to check on their reservation history in the branded web, she can also do so. So on the branded web, just click on the profile icon at the top right. Then, click on My Reservation, and she will see all the upcoming reservations that she had made in your restaurant. And in case there is any changes needed, customer can also click on Manage Reservation to modify the details. While for merchant's end, if you would like to edit customer reservation or mark the booking as a 10, no show or cancel, you will need the POS to do so. So on the POS, click on the reservation icon at the top right. Then, go to the relevant date that you would like to make changes on your customer reservations. Click on the reservations, and you can now edit the reservations here accordingly. And if you'd like to mark your customer attendance, you can click on Attend and place them on the table. So once your customer attendance has been marked, they will now see their reservation on the branded web under Pass. Next, we'll look into the portal update that focus on enhancing the menu template feature. Take note that in order for you to use the features, you will need to have the menu template license. And in this update, we have added in the location group and price by location feature that allow you to define a group of shops that serve the menu items in the same price. Say for example, if you have 10 shops in Malaysia and 3 of them are located in high-rent locations like the airports and Genting Highlands, and hence the price of the menu item for these 3 shops is higher compared to the other location. So what you can do is, you can create a location group to group these 3 shops together so that they offer the menu items at the same price. And to do this, you will need the Merchant Portal 2.0. So on your Merchant Portal, click on Menu Template and you will see the Location Group function. Click on it and click on the Add Group at the top right. Input the location group name and select the shop that you would like to include in this group, then click on Save. And now, you can go to the menu template, click on the Edit button next to the menu template that you would like to edit. Then, select the relevant item and scroll to the bottom until you see the location group. So here, what you will need to do is select the location group that you have just created and edit the list price accordingly. With this, it means that your item here that under all shops in the location A will have a different price which is slightly higher compared to the other shops. Furthermore, you can also add the tier price for the shops under location A here. The next update we have for menu template is to include Excluded Shop feature in item and discount. This feature is useful if you have several shops that sharing the same menu template, but you wish to exclude a specific item from being sold in a particular shop. Like for example, my shop A and shop B is using the same menu template. However, in shop A, I do not want to sell the breaded apple puff, and hence I can add Excluded Shop for this item. So on my portal, after selecting the menu template, I will search on my breaded apple puff item. Then, click on the Edit button and scroll to the bottom. And under this Exclude Shop here, select the shop that I wish to exclude this from being sold and click on Save Will Do. And besides item, you can also set the Excluded Shop in discount. Just click on the Edit Mode drop-down, select either discount type that you would like to edit, then click on the Edit button and do the same under the Exclude Shop Will Do. Alright, so that will be all for the highlights we have in this branded web and portal update. Feel free to explore the features that we have just discussed earlier if it is relevant to your restaurant operation. And of course, if you encounter any question when testing out the function, don't forget to contact us as we are more than happy to assist you. Okay, with that, I will say it's a wrap for today's session. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you guys soon in the next update. Goodbye, and have a great day ahead.